So next is an example which is potential with one vertical wall. So that is example for tunneling. So you can use the same expressions what we have obtained here. So let the potential is represented like this. One side it is vertical, left side it is vertical, right side it takes some random directions like this. Okay, so this point is x equal to 0 and x varies here, and here is the v of x. So this is the shape of v of x on the right side. So like this. So right side is a sloping side. So we can assume that psi at 0 is 0. X equal to 0 is 0. So we can use the same formula here, that is 2d by root of p of x sine 1 by h cross integral over x2 p of x dx plus pi by 4 equal to 0. Sorry, 2d by this one, the same expression, the left side of this one, that is equal to 0. That means this term vanishes, then sine theta equal to 0 means theta equal to n pi. Okay, so we can write 1 by h cross this, that is 1 by h cross integral x2 p of x dx plus pi by 4 equal to n pi, where n is an integer 1, 2, 3, etc. So we can write integral, let this h cross go to the other side, then integral 0 to x2, okay, p of x dx equal to, let this becomes n pi h cross minus pi by 4. So we can write n pi h cross minus pi by 4. Pi you can take it as common, so n h cross minus 1 by 4 into pi. N h cross minus 1 by 4 into pi. Okay. Sorry, there is a correction. First, this will go to the other side. So n pi minus pi by 4 all into h cross. It will h cross will be throughout. So h cross can also you can take outside. N minus 1 by 4 into pi h cross. Okay. So this is equal to n minus 1 by 4 into pi h cross. So here we put x equal to 0, 0 to x2. Okay. So here the potential is not well defined. It is only some function we don't know. So we are taking a non-example. Consider a pure harmonic oscillator and just the half of the harmonic oscillator. So consider a half of harmonic oscillator. Then this curve right side will be a smooth parabola. Left side is same as vertical, right side is a smooth parabola. Then V of x you can write it as, okay, half m omega square x square when x greater than 0, that is on the right side. On the right side, then on the left side it is infinity. Infinity when x otherwise. When x greater than 0, it is harmonic oscillator potential, otherwise it is infinity. This is the way we can write the potential mathematically. Okay. See, now I'm not doing that. I have written a same problem for a harmonic oscillator. Here only difference is the left limit is 0. 0 to x you have to take. So 0 to x2, here I have shown x1 and x2, but here you can take 0 and x2. That is the only difference. So you can proceed like this, not very difficult. Finally, you will get, in the case of harmonic oscillator, you get E by omega into pi. In the case of half harmonic oscillator, you will get E by 2 omega into pi. That is the only difference. So I will send the scanned copy of this so you can get the result as, and when you simplify you get 0 to x2 p of x dx equal to E pi by 2 omega. This is the difference you get. Then finally you substitute it in our equation which we already written here. In this expression you substitute p of x in the, first you calculate this one, then substitute here. So you will get E pi by 2 omega equal to n minus 1 by 4 into pi h cross. Okay, from that you simplify E equal to 2 into n minus 1 by 4 h cross omega, or you can write, because as n varies from 1 to 3 etc., you get En equal to 2n minus half into h cross omega. This is the expression for energy levels of a half harmonic oscillator. Okay, which is almost like a tunneling expression. Not tunneling, but actually it is a half harmonic oscillator.